Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I posted a video that Microsoft needs to do a couple of things now to improve trust in Windows. And as mentioned in the video, which will be linked down below and in the end screen, user frustration isn't about the actual technology. It's about the relationship between Microsoft and the people who rely on Windows every day, like you and me. Now, in regards to people who rely on Windows every day, something I see in the comments quite regularly and quite frequently is when a new feature rolls out for Windows and somebody will say, "Who asked for this?" So basically, Microsoft pushes out random features that nobody asked for. Now, getting back to improving Windows. Windows currently represents around approximately 10% of Microsoft's revenue, with subscription services and cloud hosting making up around half of Microsoft's total revenue. So I think it's safe to say that the role of Windows isn't to be a product anymore, like it was back in the day with 95, XP, 7, and so on. But, no pun intended, a window. And the reason I say not a product, but just a window, is according to an interesting post by How to Geek. I'll leave it in the description. Microsoft now uses Windows basically to sell you cloud storage, productivity app subscriptions like Microsoft 365, and make money by recommending third-party apps all over the operating system. That's why I've turned off everything recommended in my operating systems, so I don't get those advertisements, for want of a better word, or nag ads as I like to call them, on the channel. And I have posted 2 videos about how you can disable ads in Windows 11. There is a playlist regarding that on the channel if you'd like some more information on how you can turn off all those recommendations. So basically, if Windows isn't being developed mainly to serve as a product in and of itself, as in Windows, the operating system, then for Microsoft, there's little incentive to do more than the bare minimum, I think, when it comes to the needs and experiences of Windows users. That's why a new feature pops up and a comment says, nobody asked for this. And some of those new features that have rolled out are there to help push users of Windows like you and me, Microsoft's customers, to spend more money, which at the end of the day basically turns Windows into freemium software. Now, in case you don't know what freemium software is all about, it's basically there to engage the user as often as possible, keep you engaged, and get you to spend money in small amounts frequently. So as an example, why get $100 from a customer once off when you can get $20 a month for years, as in a subscription? And I think a lot of Microsoft's goal currently, especially with Windows 11, is just that. And this is where I think memes like microslop, as I've posted on previously, have started to do the rounds. Now, with all this said and done, as I've mentioned previously, last year, 2025, wasn't Microsoft's best year in regards to the Windows operating system. And 2026 hasn't been off to a good start with all the issues that already Windows updates are causing. But with all this said and done, as mentioned, as I've posted previously, video will be linked down below and in the end screen. Microsoft has promised to improve Windows 11 in 2026 by addressing so-called pain points in the operating system. Check the video out for more information. And as I've also posted previously, Microsoft may finally be removing the AI clutter from Windows 11. Check the video out for more info. It'll be linked down below and in the end screen. So it seems, not guaranteed, but it seems that Microsoft is starting to take notice, because I think Microsoft needs to make changes, because at this stage, Windows, the operating system, is basically just a window into Microsoft's advertising world. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you agree, yes or no? Interested to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.